Good day. In this video we will introduce you to one of the main stages of launching the TEKNIX electric boiler. Let's look at the process of air removal from the system and how to activate this mode in the boiler. To organize the process of air removal, it is necessary to enter the service mode. The heating button and the hot water button need to be inactive. Hold the settings button for 6 seconds until the letter P appears with a digit next to it. This is the entry into service mode. Locate parameter P1. Confirm entry into the parameter with the off button. Afterwards, it will blink 0. Use the up button to select 1 and confirm with the off button. The pump turns on and a pump icon appears on the display. After this, move up to the P3 setting using the up button and confirm with the off button. In 2 seconds, the heat carrier flow rate is calculated. Normal flow rate should range from 10 to 25 litres per minute. If the flow stops, it means air is entering the boiler. You need to go to parameter P1 and turn off the pump by setting parameter P1 0. Allow the air to exit automatically through the automatic air vent. Follow this algorithm until the air is completely out. It is necessary to check the flow rate of the heat carrier, which should be continuous and fixed at a constant value. After that, you can exit the service mode. Next, set the mode required for your regular usage.